Welcome back, wonderful one. This video is on excitement, and this is one of my all-time favorites. As a classroom teacher, this generated probably more excitement in my classroom than any other singular activity. This I called Review Day Competition. So, the first thing that you do is realize that kids love to compete. That's one of the all-time favorite things to do. Review Day Competition has 4 rounds. I always give them 4 rounds. You take the students, you divide the students up into 4 or 5 groups with 3 to 5 participants in each group. Then you take the material from last week and you create a group of questions from that. All right, and you come in with those ready. And each set of questions has to correspond in difficulty to each round, with the first round questions being the least difficult. You're going to ask the question, and all groups can participate, but each group will huddle together and they will have about 30 seconds to a minute to write the answer on a large sheet of paper or on a large index card using a magic marker. So they write it down. Now, they don't hold the answer up until you say, show your answer. So the way you do it is you'll say, okay, group 1, what was your answer? And they'll hold up their card, and it may say cumulus cards. Group 2, what was your answer? They'll hold up theirs. And so they may have cumulus. And then group 3, and they have cirrus. All right, so each group holds up their answer. Now, you are keeping score and writing it down, or you can have a teacher's aide or someone not directly in each group to keep score. Now, I have to tell you, one of the things that makes this exciting is there are speed questions in each round. So, in round 1, after you ask about 2 or 3 questions, then you say this is a speed question. For a speed question, any student can answer at any time. Now, when the student thinks they know the answer, they raise their hand. But they're on their own. Nobody can help them. If they get it right, instead of getting 10 points, which is what the round value is, they win 20 points for their team. But if they miss the answer, you take off 20 points from whatever score they have. So, and nobody can help them in the group. Now, when you do that and call on a student, there is no such thing as calling on who was next or who was next, because most of the time you can't figure out who was second or third. So either that person gets it and earns 20, or the point value for that round, or they miss it and they lose double the point value for that round. Now, the good thing about this game is that this particular game is one that goes round by round, and therefore the excitement really builds. Keep the scores accurately. Have a lot of fun with this Review Day competition. Your students will love it. You'll get juiced from it also. And if you really want to throw a real big thing in it that makes it even more exciting, do this, my friend. Videotape it and let the kids have it to take home with them. Put it up on your web page or website if your school allows such a thing. And then every week, have those new competitions. Look for new winners. The kids love it. Put it on your school Facebook page. It's a powerful, powerful thing. I hope you enjoy it. Give it a try immediately. All right, wonderful one. In summary, Review Day. Number 1, students love to compete. Number 2, you want 4 rounds of competition. Number 3, you want 4 to 5 groups, each one having 3 to 5 students. Number 4, use questions from recent material. Number 5, the question value doubles with each round. Number 6, ask a question and the entire team comes up with the answer. Number 7, one person, the captain, holds up the answer only when asked. Number 8, there are speed questions. which are double the value if they get it correct, and double the value if they miss it. Number 9, any student can answer at any time. Number 10, the student gets no help from their team. Number 11, the team gets double the point value if it's correct. Number 12, the team loses double the point value if it's incorrect. Number 13, it is not possible to know who raised their hand second, so don't use that. Number 14, the teacher can ask as many or as few questions each round as desired. And obviously, number 15, the winning team is the team with the most points. Enjoy and have fun. If you're excited, they'll be excited. You're wonderful.